Today we are changing the keyboard on a HP Pavilion G4. It's the G series. Very easy. This is only held in by one screw, but you have to get to that one screw. First off, little word of warning, I'm not an expert. This is the first time I'm doing this. Should be pretty easy, so if you're doing it for the first time, please make sure you've backed up all your data just in case you mess something up. First things first, make sure you've unplugged the machine and you've taken the battery out. Very easy. You want to remove this Phillips screw, and it will reveal the single screw to get to the keyboard right there. Okay, now you've exposed the inside of the laptop. Right inside here, there's a Phillips head screw. You need to take it out, but make sure you use a magnetic screwdriver so you can pop that in there, just undo it and pull it right out. I've already done it, and there's my screw right there. Okay, we're looking at the new keyboard that's going to replace this guy right here. And if you look closely, 1, 2, 3, 4 openings, actually 5 openings for tabs. So you can actually pry them out from here, lift it this way out and off these little lips right here. As you can see, I actually damaged these two trying to get this thing out. So hopefully the new one's going to work for sure, but as you work your way along, just pull it out of the snaps. Both sides. Lift it up and pull it out to reveal the cable right there. Remove this cable, you're going to flip this little black lip up, then it comes right out. Simple as that. While I have the old keyboard out, right here is where that screw came out, which was right there. Everything lines up. I'm going to check to make sure that I have the right compatible number, and I'm going to install it in reverse. Okay, as you can see, I have the new one right here and the old one right there. I'm comparing them, they are exactly the same. This is actually where the screw comes out or goes in on installation. So I'm just going to go ahead and install it. As you can see, I've got the ribbon pushed in and lined up. Now I'm going to go ahead and just close this guy right here to lock it in place. Give it a little tug, make sure it's not coming out. And here we go, we're going to snap it back in. We put the little teeth in on the bottom, lower it down, make sure they are in. And then we're just going to push these guys in place. Make sure you get the ones at the side. And that's it, it is in. Next thing we're going to do is going to flip it over and put that screw back in. Take up the screw in, just snugged it up. Next thing we're going to do, pop this guy back in, snap it down, and tighten up the screws. I've tightened up these two screws, put the battery back in, we're going to flip it over and try it out. As you can see, everything is working fine. I did have problems with the N, the M and the N. So everything seems to be working fine. Guys, if you like what you've seen, please like and subscribe below. Leave any comments and let me know what you think. Thanks guys, cheers.